Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well. And enjoying the life with your sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good. I'm also perfect. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas and cutest and stylish ideas, beautiful short pixie hair cutting ideas. It's amazing and fabulous ideas, beautiful short pixie. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. It's fantastic and fabulous, beautiful short pixie. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with family, friends, neighbors, cousins, colleagues and every your family member. So please, my dear friends, you can easily try this beautiful short pixie in your own hair. Don't go anywhere because you can see in this video 40 plus designs with clearly pictures and images, and you will so happy because it's a celebrity look hair cutting ideas, it's a beautiful modern look hair cutting ideas, it's beautiful modern look hair cutting ideas, and it's all beautiful actresses all these apply these designs and ideas about short pixie hair cutting ideas. It's a beautiful wavy hair cutting ideas and fantastic stylish wavy cutting ideas, wavy short pixie and long pixie hair cutting ideas. So please like, comment and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's fantastic and fabulous, beautiful wavy hair cutting ideas, golden hair cutting ideas, and also brown hair cutting ideas. It's a beautiful golden wavy hair cutting ideas. So don't skip my video and fantastic and stylish video, amazing and unique video. Short pixie hair cutting ideas, pixie bob, stacked bob, inverted bob, graduated bob, and also beautiful pixie bob hair cutting ideas, blundy bob and also blunt bob hair cutting ideas, hairstyling ideas. You can easily try these are beautiful pixie ideas anytime, any function. And it's all our imaginations ideas and fantastic ideas, beautiful ideas. Okay guys, now I have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching. See you again till the next video. Allah Hafiz.